This is Abhinandan. Today is October 6th, 2025. This is here Abhinandan. Okay, I once again came to center of Miraflores from the place where I'm staying called SMP, San Martin Porres or something. Many people living here will never know information. Okay, see, I took a Express 5 bus. Express 5 bus was in 9 minutes from my place. From 9 minutes he reached this. A typical other buses will take 1.5 hour time. Will take literally 1.5 hour time, 90 minutes. What other buses will take, I did not know they have this kind of facility. That goes in an expressway where there won't be any traffic. You will go like James Bond. That is called, I've done videos many times. So that is called Park Kennedy. Named after a park. Let me go through that only. Let me cross and go through it. Today is October 6th. I thought October 7th I will go to Cusco. Okay, where Machu Picchu you have to go from there. But probably I think I have to postpone because today I uploaded on the Bolivian visa. I uploaded today and I just came here to exchange, crypto exchange, to convert some $500 to local cash. Okay, every 15 days I'm converting about $500 to local cash. It is finishing fast, lightning speed. Okay, so this is a very famous park here in the center of Lima called Miraflores, and Abhinandan here once again. And there were people who were telling me you have to go by taxi. I have to come here because I have to collect the money. I fully finished money what I had. So I use this card, and in the expressway people don't know. Let me see whether the card is there. Yeah, I purchased this card. Oh, where is the card? Okay, it's there. I purchased this card and I not even used it. So I went to the expressway, and in 9 minutes he's come 12 kilometers. 9 minutes, 12 kilometers. He was coming like that double-decker bus, like a James Bond he was driving. I was astonished. Now I will go only in this kind of bus. It will be super fast, no traffic. You go in a conventional bus, it will take 90 minutes with traffic jam. So I have to walk this side. So while I'm walking, I thought let me record. And you know what? I uploaded today for the Bolivian visa. I put $50 in the BBVA bank, uploaded, and I thought my money got finished. So let me come and exchange some $500. Even in Bolivia, there are crypto exchanges. Chile it is there, Bolivia also it is there. So this is a very famous park now. At this time, it's about 3:20 or something right now. Okay, last time I saw the picture of Humpy over there where I made a video on September 14th. Watch that video. Okay, but now it is not there. That statue, poster like. So there's a church over here. And if I go straight down like this, I get the crypto exchange. BT. It is BTC starting with. Okay, I'll show you a bit money exchange or something. So this is a central place. It's very warm from last few days. So I thought let me record it. Now it may seem not good, but after I go straight like this also I can go like that also. And so Abhinandan here came here on August 25th, 2025. Today is October 6th. I want to go to Cusco, then Machu Picchu, then Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina is giving the visa for Indian people on US visa. So I thought, let me go land border crossing from Chile to Buenos Aires, Argentina. So let me plan. While I am traveling, I am making money. That is the uniqueness of Abhinandan. Okay? So if you want to know how money will come on your mobile, and while I was in a van to go to that express busway, I met a girl, Fabilino, or someone who was working in a call center. She spoke good English. She gave me her number. I did a video for her also. There's a video done. So she works for 8 hours per day and get a $300. 8 hours per day and get $300. But she told the calls is only incoming calls, so it will be very less. So I told I want to give you a job. I'll pay you $500. $500, but you should own a laptop. Buy a laptop, buy an additional smartphone, Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to interact with her. So I can go like this straight and I get that crypto exchange where you can exchange what money you earn on your mobile. I have to explain like this because people don't understand even now. They are educated but they don't know many things. Okay? So, they'll know only one thing in their life. Now, what I was saying is, if I go straight like this, let me show you that also. What is there? Something is there. Let me pass through that. I am surprised. I thought it will take 1.5 hour time. It will become a 5:30. 5:30 they close the crypto exchange. Okay, so what a tension it happened. I thought I may go there and I may waste my time. And 4th October it is, but it is still going on. Anyhow, I don't like all these sweets, but let me see. Let me come back again. Let me come back. I'll go there first, collect the money. See, those who are watching it on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram, you have to speak. It is very shameful today. People don't have confidence to speak. They come to their own conclusion. Your conclusions are not the reality. Okay? So, I like only to buy natural things. Like Narendra Modi told on Navkar Divas, on Mahavir Jayanti day, he told buy only natural things, consume only natural things. So let me see whether the road goes like this. Let me walk like this, and I want to show you. I've shown many times the crypto exchange already in my video, but unfortunately none of the Indian people here in Lima know about it. If I send them a message, they don't respond. They won't have the courtesy to respond to say, Abhinandan, I did not understand what it is. Oh my God, I think. So anyhow, I usually go like that, but I'm going to this side. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm just going on an exchange right now. Let me come back this side. Yeah. So, I don't know what is asking, showing a baby asking for money. You know how much I have in my pocket right now, except $10 note. I think I have 2 or 3 solves. Everything finished, so last moment I'm coming. Luckily, the bus took the card. Okay, but I was amazed. 12 kilometer, 9 minutes. Maybe it was afternoon time, so he's come out. There's a printing here. I can come here for printing 153 color printing. I will ask him what is the pen. Let me first collect out the money. I may exchange 200 or $500. Let me see how much I require. Because for Machu Picchu only you have to pay $80 or something. $80. Daily 5,000 people go to that place. 1.5 million people come to that, and I am going because of Rajinikanth. Okay. I had seen Rajinikanth Aishwarya dance in 2011, or 2012, if I am correct. Okay, I was astonished in whether it is real, I used to think. But anyhow, there's a strike to go there also. There's a protest here. And where did I come? Oh, I have to take a left right now. Usually I come like this. Did I skip one road here? No, see how I come. So there is one spa over there, massage center by Indian person, I think. Mandari it is written. Indian name. Okay. See, people here in Lima won't know. Many people I told that Airbnb person says, no, I don't believe all this he says. I don't believe he says. See, this is bit money exchange. See, what does it say here? International currency and crypto. Can you see that? It says worldwide, USDT. They take 1.5%. Let me pause it. I don't want them to record. I will stop right now. Is it okay if I record? Okay.